August could be a big month for Internet Computer Protocol. And for those of you that are wondering, when are things happening with ICP? I don't see any announcements. What's going on with the price? Like, these are the things I watch. Are there significant real developments happening? Because these are all the signs that are going to be out there before the price moves. And I love this post from Pierre talking about all the July watch list things that were delivered. And when I have calls with people on jerrybanfield.com and they're panicking about the price and ready to lose hope in ICP, I'm like, these are the things to be watching, because these are laying the foundation for future price action. And this indicates that there are big, important things happening. So this is kind of an overview of what happened in July with ICP. New branding, business subscription plan, and a Claude connector on Caffeine AI. I'm going to do a future video about how big Caffeine AI's building alone is on ICP. OISY, an incredible wallet app where you now can borrow and hold all your different coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, all straight on the ICP blockchain. MultiDex, like the amount of things happening on ICP are just crazy right now. And you could have several of them hit all at once. Like Hyperliquid is a tens of billions of dollars market cap. And it's a huge deal that DFINITY just used AI to spin up their own open source version straight on ICP. And they've got game mode live now, tested it, and this is just one single thing happening on ICP that could be huge. Somebody in a call that was scheduled on jerrybanfield.com recently said, well, if cloud engines fail, it's over for ICP. First off, it looks like DFINITY has been working on kind of getting this basic cloud engine set up called Utopia before, now kind of rebranded and adjusted to cloud engines. Like, there's not any one thing on ICP that's going to fail and bring all this down, because there's so much happening. The infrastructure has so many use cases. Cloud engines are one thing, and general availability soon for cloud engines, huge deal. Massive scalability and utility for ICP. Then ICP MCP beta, one agent, every app. AI agents can now act across ICP apps. No app hosting needed. Claude is already playing on-chain games with it. Guys, there's so much happening on ICP. And what's magical is not that there's one narrative. While other blockchains are trying to specialize and see a way they can survive in the future, ICP is a blockchain everything singularity. And I'm seeing all this firsthand from using it, not even from having to listen to others. I'll show you that in a minute. Then ICP, according to the facts, #2 most active chain today. And by far #1 in terms of delivering real world value to everybody. Solana is just sending a bunch of vote transactions to basically inflate the, transactions across the network, like meme coin trading, bots. ICP is serving websites and hosting terabytes, tens of terabytes of data on chain. And combine that with the inflation reduction, the new network nervous system is awesome. And like this, just little lines like this, sovereign chat app pilot in Pakistan. I'm going to do a whole video on this later. But when partnerships are announced on these other coins, they don't matter that much, because it's very difficult for the value from the partnership to actually accumulate towards the blockchain's token. What I'm saying is, you can have huge amounts of value transferred, like stablecoin payments, real world assets on chain, on most of these other coins, but because there's no substantial payment of things like computation, you can have huge amounts of value transferred on these other blockchains with, like XRP, relatively tiny amounts of the token being burned. XRP only burns a few $100s a day and it's a $60-some billion not fully diluted market cap. So even if you 100x the usage on XRP, for example, you still would only get the token burn and the actual XRP utility up to like tens of thousands a day. When you have something like a sovereign chat app pilot in Pakistan, if something like this goes live, you could be looking at tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars a day in ICP that's needing to be bought and burned to pay for the hosting of the app. And that's because everything else in crypto is dumping all the hosting off chain, which means the token itself is not actually getting bought and burned to pay for the real work behind the actual whatever it's doing. So when you have chat apps like this in Pakistan, the amount of value that can accumulate to ICP is massive from even one project like this, because the computation, the hosting is the most expensive part of the equation, and nothing else in crypto has that. That means even just one thing like this, you're talking could 10, maybe even 100x the burn rate on ICP and Cloud engines. Another way to do that. But you have MultiDex, something like MultiDex, because the hosting is on chain. Something like MultiDex could crank the burn up, the cycle burn rate 5, 10, or just 10 times, or just consistently scale it up. That means more cycles burned, which means more ICP needs to be bought, which means the lower the price of ICP, the more the cycle burn matters, which means ICP has a bit of a price floor that nothing else can. And then finally, and Pierre's final thing and the special announcement, signed, sealed, under PR embargo till mid-August. It's worth the wait. Now, some of you guys have complained to me in calls saying, well, Jerry, none of these announcements have mattered. None of the announcements have mattered in terms of the immediate price action. But what you need is to have a powder keg, a whole bunch of pressure that at some point, then you're going to see a price explosion. Now, unlike many other coins over the last year, ICP had a brief breakout of the price, which blew the price up in just a week, 3x. I mean, most other cryptos did not have, the price shoot up within a week, and nothing even happened here. Like, keep in mind, nothing actually happened here. Like, there was no announcement. There was no anything big went down. Like, ICP is so suppressed and so small, and there's so many big things happening. Anytime. And you see, there was no warning before this happened either. Like, it was just down, down, down. There was no warning. There was no sign. In fact, you had it drop from like 10. It was just kind of all down, and then all of a sudden it shoots up here. But again, there was no reason. There was no announcement. It just suddenly shot up. So ICP is building one of the biggest powder keg I've ever seen, where you've got so many incredible things happening, so much. And this is the stuff I look at. What is Pierre posting? What is Dominic Williams posting? Like, these are the things to look at, because the price will come after this stuff. And there's little warnings. This announcement could come and the price could go up 2, 3, 5x, or it could not move. But it doesn't matter, because there's so many things. Like, I feel like, I used to have a gambling addiction, and I quit going to the casino because I felt like every time I sat down in the casino that the game was rigged against me, which is a fact. It feels like being an ICP today, like the game is rigged in my favor. All I have to do is be patient. There are so many exciting things happening on ICP. I mean, just the OISY wallet. This would be enough of a narrative to get some of these other coins in the crypto matrix pushed up to, a bigger market cap than ICP. Just a wallet with built-in and all that functionality. But caffeine, I'm going to do a separate video on what a big deal all the caffeine building is. And I'm going to just keep watching this. This is what to watch, not the price. And if the price, the reason to look at the price is, can I buy more? And I'm looking, I'm like, I might need to grab some more, because once the price goes up, I'm not going to be able to accumulate anymore. Like, I'm not buying at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is funny because everybody else would be buying at those prices, but not me. I want to get loaded at the bottom and then have enough where I just, hold on indefinitely. So I appreciate you watching this, and to take this to the next level. The big difference between all these others is that you always have to take somebody's word. You can't just go verify stuff yourself. I had a guy earlier today I just talked to schedule a call with me at jerrybanfield.com. My website is built directly on ICP. I have a functionality where I can just click a button, and now you can talk to me nearly instantly. This guy paid, and 3 minutes later, I messaged him on WhatsApp, and then he was ready 3 minutes later. So 6 or 7 minutes after he paid, he was talking to me face to face on WhatsApp. And this functionality, I'm not sure how I would build this with anything else, but I used Claude Fable and AI to build this. So he paid directly with a card, but you can also pay with ICP. And then there's an option for 30 minutes, and there's the school community, and there's the chat community where you can go in and chat with me. Like, guys, I'm firsthand building this and using this. I don't need open chat anymore. I've got my own chat directly on my website that you can buy with a credit card, or you can buy with ICP. This technology is a huge deal. This is not some little thing, some minor improvement. This is not some speculative, I hope it becomes something someday. This technology is a huge deal. And I'm just early. I'm always early. And you can, the guy who was talking to me today, he's like, I want to build something with Claude on ICP. I'm like, good, just ask Claude how to do it. It will tell you how to do it. Like, you don't need a tutorial from me. Take screenshots, tell Claude what you want to do, and it will just tell you exactly how to do it. This is incredible. All the friction is taken out. Like, all the haters are proven wrong. This tech is game changing. Like, I just decided one day I want to build it in so that I have a tip leaderboard, and you can tip $5, $10, $25, and when the bigger tips come in, I'll add more. There's a tip wall where you can send messages. I just built this in. Claude took like 10, 20 minutes to build this functionality, and it's there. There's a leaderboard on here. Then there's a store. I can put anything I want in here. Guys, this tech is so good. And there's so many people and governments already looking at it, already using it. It's just going to keep growing from here. It's going to keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. That's what she's hoping will happen. So you just need to be patient, and you need to watch this data. These are seeds that could grow into a just huge oak tree someday. And someday when the price is huge, then you can look back and say, these are the signs of what was coming. And you just have to be patient and be ready and wait and use the technology yourself until then. So thanks for watching. Would love to talk with you and chat with you at jerrybanfield.com. And when you're on my website, you are using the ICP blockchain technology yourself. You don't have to speculate. When you use my website and it all works, you're like, wow, this guy built this with AI on ICP. It would have cost me $10,000 or $20,000 to pay a developer to do the same thing. This AI plus ICP is a game changer.